Think building a website that makes money sounds too technical? Not anymore. Thanks to AI Niche Site Blueprint. This system is designed for beginners who want to launch profitable niche sites without coding, design, or SEO experience. It gives you a simple step by step plan for finding niches with real buyer demand and turning them into income generating websites fast. The magic happens with the built in ZERP AI automation app, which does nearly everything for you. From setting up your site and installing SEO tools to writing and posting optimized content automatically. That means you can have a complete, ready to rank website in just minutes. No tech headaches, no wasted time. Once your site starts getting traffic, you can monetize it through affiliate offers, ads, or pay per call programs, creating a passive income stream that runs on autopilot. If you've always wanted to make money online but felt overwhelmed by the tech side, AI Niche Site Blueprint makes it simple. Click the link in the description to start building your first money making site niche site today. No experience needed.